this is my apartment. I just finished painting a wall in the living room and the window sill and then the trim around the window, and now I'm gonna take this excess paint that I have and use it in the bathroom to get it done. Let's get her done! I have about 10 different surfaces that I can paint. I don't have very much paint, and I also have a particular color scheme that I do want to do in here, which kind of goes with the shower curtain, which will not be the same shower curtain that we always keep, because I think we got that for $1 from the dollar store. It's falling apart. Started off with this idea, this plum, and this like an olive, what is that, like an olive tan? Like an olive tan, like a green, a pea green with more white or more gray, and then this plum is very powdery. I think I can achieve that color with the burgundy and this blue paint, which I think I might replace with this. So I'll show you that. So this is the blue color that I plan on using for most of the walls. I think I can use the burgundy with the sky blue to create this color. I'm gonna test it out, but I think I can. Oh, I think this is perfect. Oh goodness! What? It's not even the color I thought it was. I thought it was this color here! Look! Look what it is! Wait, maybe I gotta shake it. Hold on. Because I'm shook. Shut up! What? Come look at this goddamn magic! What are you saying to me? It's magic! So I take that, and I did that, and now I got this, which is very cool. Oh! It's fairly close. I just dumped some, I don't know what I did. Up. I'm not really interested in filling holes, so I'm just gonna make sure the wall is pretty flat. Look at that wall. So there's one wall done. Moving on to the next. It's my memory. Paintbrush is a little wet still. I think I'm gonna start with this one. Most of the walls are gonna be this blue lavender-ish color. We're just gonna get pretty even. Whoops. Dang it! The tape isn't sticking and I don't want to buy any more. So I'm going to be very careful as I begin to paint. I'll start with the brush, get the corners real nice. Real nice. Oh shoot. It's still wet. With the dry brush, we're going to try this again. Since I've outlined my walls now, I'm going to use the dry roller. First official coat. Yes. Alright, dark gray color. I have my blue color. I'm gonna add this stone gray. It's kind of taupe-ish. Interesting color. I'll live with it, I don't care. I mean, if you can paint it, you can always repaint it. Oh, then it's like actually that color. No! It's just that color. Back to the drawing board. So I'm gonna add the smallest amount of red to this. That was probably too much. Okay. That is something else. I think it's even closer to that. Alright. Alright, one more wall to do. Woohoo! My bathroom is all finished. Well, being painted for now. Technically, I think it took me about 3 days to paint the restroom. So I did 2 coats just about everywhere. I hung the basket that I got from the thrift store by my house. It was $4. And I got the purple paint for $15. I got, it's lavender. Well, it's more blue. It's a lavender. And then the burgundy was $9 from Home Depot. I got the lavender paint from Walmart in the section where it's clearance. And then I got those 3 gray tones, the blue gray, the gray tan, and then the dark gray. I got those for 50 cents each at Home Depot. I have a couple more things I want to add to the restroom. I want to put a new shower head in. I need to also put plumber's tape on all the water outlets because they kind of leak, and this one leaks when it's on. It's kind of messy. Thank you for visiting my apartment. I'm David Carter, and this has been Designing David.